Tignan natin kung Bicar can find another attacker to go to. And that
Like
he
him.
finds.
Like you said, Mela.
Piojo with an exclamation point. Great connection. And Bicar finally setting him up with this ideal set. So nakaabang talaga yung mga defenders.
Bicar, little combination play. Off the block, Piojos with another point. You target Aligayon this time. Piojo elevates and detonates.
It is such a good synergy between the attackers and Bicar. Parang lahat napaka-komportable sa mga nakukuha nila.
Back set. And flying high is Piozas.
Bungi-bungi na yung blocking pattern na itong UP dahil ang daming ina-activate na at this scoring spree between Rahim and Aligayon.
Combination play. Naibalik sa UE. Piojo, isa pa.
Piojo now emerging as the top scorer. Just nakukulang sa wrist action. So ngayon, pina-power through niya na lang and hitting it off the block.
Bicar, combination. Piojo scoring off the block as well.
What a smart move by Piojo.
To receive by Villanueva. Piojo adjusts. Andre Bicar goes back to Piojo. And that one sent out of bounds. The point will go to the Red Warriors.
Win for UP.
Castrodes straight to Villanueva with the receive from the open. That's Piojo.
Single block on Piojo. I don't think that's a good idea. Tatlo na lang kalamangan ng UE as the Fighting Maroons have been starting a streak.
Now to the open for Piojo. Tight. Castrodes. Not there. Piojo dug by Bersano. Great floor coverage. Rahim going long. They will answer with Piojo challenging the double block and getting the point.
Piojo hindi na nga iniwas sa blockers. It was very intentional for him to go through the gap between the double block if they want that to happen faster.
They will go back row to Rahim. Villanueva popping it up. Piojo has been hot this past couple of sequences.
15 points already, and Coach Carlo wants to end that streak with this timeout. Really defining for UE, and that's what we saw right there in the final end of set number 3.
As we welcome you to the 4th set. UP looking to extend this to a 5th set. The push, the back pedal by Aligayon. The set by Bicar, the quick to DeFeo. Rally ongoing. That one with the help of the net. Piojo off the block, count the point.
Piojo continuing his ways and finding those efficient ways to score.
Castrodes now serving, had a couple of great serves in that last set. There's another one. Pozas elevating, double block. Now to the other side with Piojo. That one straight down.
Again, excellent setting by Bicar. Kasi yung una niyang bato kay Piojo, napakalaking poste ng mga...
Santiago now has a full front line. Let's see what he does with it. Piojo, in the meantime, has other plans.
Piojo, 19 big points already for this Season 87 opener, and he's not even done yet. Throughout set number 4, they have had the lead since the beginning of this set, and they haven't let go.
Tight. Nagawa ng paraan ni Pokita para kay Piojo.
Piojo finally reaching 20 points after that hit. But
They serve it to Aligayon. Now to DeFeo.
It's a better play there, and look at Aligayon. And points, and we have to remember how much they caught up kanina in set number 3.
The hit once again by Piojo. He's been powering it up.